Everybody, my name is Scott, and today I'm going to be reviewing Typhoon by the brand Genesis. Now, this is a string that promises a lot of the same playing characteristics as the legendary Alu Power Rough by Luxilon, with a weird difference. If I can get up close here, you can see this string is actually kind of hairy. I've never seen anything like it before. If you want to see the hairiness of this string, there it is. I strung this up and I shot it out with Alu Power Rough using matched RF97s, and today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the string. I recently did a review on a similarly marketed string called Pros Pro Lethal 8, which also promises to play like Alu Power, and between the two of them, I felt that this string more accurately recreated the playing characteristics of Alu Power Rough, but with a notable caveat, which is the feel of the string. And this is a strange one. The strings had like a hollow feel to them. It created kind of like a cheap effect. I must say that the fact that you don't really save that much money and the fact that it just doesn't feel quite right, to me, is a deal breaker. Now, I did try this out as part of a hybrid, and it's the same thing. Playing with NXT really kind of halved that sensation that I was getting with the string, so it didn't feel quite as hollow. Again, it was recognizable as an Alu Power Rough clone, but again, it just didn't feel quite as good, and I didn't feel like I was saving enough money or getting a similar enough experience in terms of the feel to justify the making the switch. So, final verdict on this string, do I recommend it? I do not. If you're interested in this string, just save your money and go for Alu Power Rough. It's just a better experience across the board. And if you are interested in trying an alternative string, of the ones I've tried so far, I recommend Lethal 8 by Pros Pro. If you check out the link I left below, I actually found a great deal on Luxilon strings. I don't know why this is, but for some reason, this website lists them very cheap. I'm also leaving a link for Lethal 8, which is even crazier cheap than the Luxilon. So if you want to try it out, you're welcome to as well. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.